Welcome to my channel. Balcony design introducing when if come to apartment live or hen a small outdoor space. A balcony can be a valuable asset whether you have a 10 Juliet balcony or a spacious terrace with a little creativity and planting, you can transform it into a cozy and invited rustic green oasis. One of the simplest way to enhance your balcony is by added greening. Every with limited space, you can create a mini garden by using vertical plants and hanging posts. Choose planting plants that thing in your climate and request minimal maintenance such as succulents, hub or diffuse pests. Comfortable seating make your balcony and invite space by incorporated comfortable seating other for weather testing testing that soft versatile and the available space for choosing animal and singing chair to bistro sit and longing chair that are number other to choose for private screen. If your balcony is exposed to neighbor building or the strain, consider adding private screen bombs. It from screen can create a sentiment of sunlight, make your balcony a more immersed and private space. You can also using greening, planting or to most planting, stealing more poles and adding a immersed to private well enhance the greening lighting. Do not let the set sun limited your time on this balcony. Set the mood and create any enhanced ambition with appear lighting, set light or fresh lighting can be, and also rearranging of refuse accounting, decorating to create a when choosy atmosphere. Here, your balcony can be a siren oxygen admire the hustling and buzzing of city life.